Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. The field of statistics revolves around the examination and gathering of data. In a previous section, we talked about primary and secondary data. Primary data refers to the information obtained by the researcher to tackle the current issue, and it is further categorized into qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data involves descriptions that are observable but not calculable. Contrastingly, quantitative data concentrates on numerical values and mathematical computations that can be quantified and analyzed. The application of these data types spans across various disciplines such as marketing, sociology, business, and public health. In this video, we will understand the distinction between qualitative and quantitative data. First, we need to understand, what is qualitative data? Qualitative data is data that offers insights and understanding into a specific issue. It can be estimated but not quantified. Therefore, the researcher must have a deep understanding of the characteristic being studied prior to data collection. The data is descriptive in nature, making it somewhat challenging to analyze. It can be categorized based on the physical attributes and properties of the object. This type of data is expressed through spoken or written narratives rather than numerical values. It encompasses data that is observable in terms of smell, appearance, taste, feel, texture, gender, nationality, and more. Common methods of collecting qualitative data include focus groups, observations, interviews, and archival materials such as newspapers. What is quantitative data? Quantitative data is data that deals with quantity or numbers. It involves computing values and counts and can be expressed in numerical terms. In statistics, most analyses are conducted using this type of data. Quantitative data is utilized in computation and statistical testing. It involves measurements such as height, weight, volume, length, size, humidity, speed, and age. The data can be presented in tabular and diagrammatic form, including charts, graphs, and tables. Additionally, quantitative data can be categorized as discrete or continuous data. The methods employed for data collection include surveys, experiments, observations, and interviews. The fundamental points of difference between qualitative and quantitative data are discussed. 1. Meaning. The data type, in which the classification of objects is based on attributes, quality, is called qualitative data. The type of data which can be counted and expressed in numbers and values is called quantitative data. 2. Research methodology. The research methodology is exploratory in qualitative data, etc., to provide insights and understanding. On the other hand, quantitative data is conclusive in nature, which aims at testing a specific hypothesis and examine the relationships. 3. Approach. The approach to inquiry in the case of qualitative data is subjective and holistic, whereas quantitative data has an objective and focused approach. 4. When the data type is qualitative, the analysis is non-statistical, as opposed to quantitative data which uses statistical analysis. 5. Of data. In qualitative data, there is an unstructured gathering of data. As against this, data collection is structured in quantitative data. 6. Determines. While qualitative data determines the depth of understanding, quantitative data ascertains the level of occurrence. 7. Asks. Quantitative data is all about how much or how many. On the contrary, qualitative data asks why. 8. In qualitative data, the sample size is small and that too is drawn from non-representative samples. Conversely, the sample size is large in quantitative data drawn from the representative sample. 9. Qualitative data develops initial understanding. It defines the problem. Unlike quantitative data, which recommends the final course of action. The collection and measurement of data can utilize either of the two methods mentioned earlier. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. Qualitative data may lack reliability, while quantitative data may lack descriptive information. Both methods are often combined to ensure that the collected data is accurate. Additionally, both types of data can be obtained from the same data unit, with the only difference being the type of variables of interest: numerical for quantitative data and categorical for qualitative data. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.